Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are out to try to do something a little different from the usual for me. It's been a slow summer. A lot of getting ready for school and working, so I haven't really been able to go out fishing too much. But today we're going on a little one-day trip. I've got a 10-foot giant rod. We're gonna try to catch stripers in Massachusetts. We're gonna drive down, hit the high tide, come back in one day. I don't know too much about them. We'll see how this works out, but this is a very interesting trip. I'm very excited for it, and hopefully we'll have some cool stuff to show you in a minute. Definitely wrong shoes. So obviously things didn't go quite to plan. I didn't really know what to expect. I need to cast as far as I possibly could to get my bait out there. My surf rod did just fine, but we didn't really have the fish figured out. This is something completely new to me. I didn't understand it. I don't understand this type of fishing at all. It was fun. I enjoyed it, and I'm definitely gonna be back, but man, oh man, that place was beautiful. We were actually fishing in a wildlife refuge, which has fishing access for the public. But man, it was gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It didn't really pan out exactly like I hoped, but I still got some really cool footage and wanted to share it with you guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and a comment. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe as well to my channel. Hit that bell icon so that you can be notified of my future uploads. Things are gonna get a little weird here. I am going to school very shortly, in less than a week from me recording this video right now. I'm going to be attending Norwich University, which if you do some research, you'll see what I mean. Probably won't be able to post anything at all, even on my Instagram, until October. So just bear with me with that. I just want you to know I'm still here. I'm still planning to do stuff. I'm just at school. I'm gonna be busy. So if you're wondering why nothing's being posted on my channel, that's why. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and it will be a long time, but I will see you when the next video goes up. Thank you.